Welcome back to the RV Rundown, where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. I'm your host Barry, and today we're inside the 2021 DRV Mobile Suites 36 RSSB3. This is an awesome luxury fifth wheel built for full-time living. I'm standing in the living room where we have opposing slides and this huge ceiling thanks to the flat profile above me. This makes for an enormous living room. We have incredibly residential furniture here with very soft, very plush finishings. This couch extends out. It is a hide-a-bed. Our theater seating, again, super plush. It is completely customizable in the sense that we have RGB lighting that can change at the touch of a button. We can change colors, we can change brightness, and we can make that all match up to our customizable RGB fireplace over here as well that's right below our entertainment center. Speaking of which, this has a JBL audio system, a nice large smart flat screen TV, and hiding up above we have our Sony DVD player as well as the subwoofer. Moving out of the living room, we get into the kitchen where we have this huge, beautiful island. It's got solid surface countertops. Hiding down in this island, we have a dual basin stainless steel sink. And on top of that, guys, this is super cool. There's a dishwasher on board. So you don't have to do dishes in the sink. You just load them in there, hit the button and go. Another cool feature that DRV has incorporated is an appliance garage with a slide out tray and a plug in the back. You can put a toaster or a coffee maker or whatever daily use item that you use, and when you're done with it, instead of it sitting out on the counter, it just stores away. I love all of the great tile work. This is an awesome Insignia stove with a massive oven, and that is a convection microwave right up above it. This is a residential fridge that we have here, and it's even got water in the door, which is a pretty slick feature that we don't see all of the time in residential fridges. Behind me, there's storage in the form of adjustable shelvings. There's plenty of it in the DRV. It's everywhere. They've incorporated it in every nook and cranny that they can. As you come through the door, you have a coat closet as well as your entire control panel easily accessible right there. This model in particular does have a generator on board because we option that way. Now, that means that it's fully self-contained. You could boondock with it. Before we leave the kitchen area, I want to point out this dinette. This is sneaky. It does pull out and extend. It has a leaf in addition to that, so it can seat four, and this unit does come with two folding chairs that match the decor. Heading up to the upstairs, we pass through this entry hallway. There is a sliding door here that opens up. It has a little pop market there, so that can separate off the living room from that area. And then we come to our bathroom in the hallway. It has a foot flush macerator toilet that's porcelain, loads of storage. I'm loving that shower surround and the sink that's in there as well. There's a massive fan up above for exhausting out any indecent smells. Also in this hallway, thanks to this long slide right here that our bed is on, we have a closet that can do two things. It could be just an extension of your closet for the bedroom, or we can host a full-size washer dryer here. Moving into the bedroom, we have two slides, so it's opposing. There's a small vanity slide here with an entertainment center up above and a king bed on the slide here as well. There's power on either side. We have dimmable lights, and as well as some great accent lighting as well. Another max fan, so if we weren't running AC and we were in temperate conditions, we can really cycle some air through here. And guys, this closet might be what really makes this bedroom. It's a big, big, big cedar lined closet. In addition to being cedar lined, they've put in plugs, given us a little chest of drawer, and even a safe. An in-wall safe for hiding and storing all of those documents that you might have while you're traveling. Pretty slick. Guys, I hope you've really enjoyed this tour of the 36 RSSB3. Until next time, happy camping.